Did you know that some frogs survive winter by freezing solid? The wood frog, found in North America, does just that. As temperatures drop, this frog's body starts to freeze, its heart stops, and it appears lifeless. But come spring, it thaws out and hops away as if nothing happened. This incredible adaptation allows it to survive harsh winters without food or water. Scientists are amazed by this natural antifreeze mechanism, which could inspire new medical breakthroughs. Like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts like this.